Hello everyone, welcome back the Pharmacist Talks, an innovative pharma and biopharma learning academy. Today I have an amazing opportunity to share with you all, especially for the students in engineering, science and pharmacy fields. The Defense Research and Development Organization, that is commonly known as DRDO, under the Ministry of Defense, has released an paid internship opportunity through the Institute of Nuclear Medicine and Allied Sciences, that is INMAS. This internship is specially designed for final year UG and PG students from disciplines like computer science, biotechnology, chemistry, and even pharmacy. In this video, I will explain the eligibility criteria for this paid internship, advanced branches, and what about the different vacancies, stipend and the durations, the application process step by step. So make sure you watch this video till the end because this could be a career changing opportunity for you. Let's get started. So here you can see the internship opportunity can be published by notifications. In this notification, it is clearly mentioned this is a paid internship and it is the durations for 6 months. Okay, and who are the eligible? The final year students from the pursuing graduation in engineering as well as post graduation in engineering or general sciences. So here it can clearly mention that this paid internship is going to for the BE and B.Tech students, basically for the computer science, computational neuroscience, machine learning, biotechnology, biomedical engineering, chemical engineering, material science engineering, nanotechnology sciences, as well as there is also the opportunities for the computer science background as well, life science as well, from the chemistry, from the general science, as well as from the pharmacy as well. It is from pharmaceutics and the pharmacology. Who can apply for this post? The students in the final year and who are pursuing the full-time graduation or post-graduation can apply for this course. What about the internship? It is for 6 months. The duration for the internship is the 6 months. It is clearly mentioned over here. And now, who is the eligibility criteria? The nationality. Nationality, there must be from the Indian nationals. And students from the outside country, they are not eligible. And age limit below 28 years. It is clearly mentioned over here. And this selection procedure based upon the academic track record, that is 75% minimum and up to the maximum marks it have to calculate it. Okay, and it is based upon the academic merit. So those who are apply for the post, they are selected by the depending upon their academic merit. And what about the application process? How you can apply for this post? So here is clearly mentioned that in this application process, you have to write a mail to that particular email address, researchacademia@gov.in, as well as mention the subject line, the application for the paid internship for the post code. What is the post code and the discipline name? You just find out this post code name over here. The post code name is PI04CS if you are applying from the computer science background. If you are applying for the pharmacy background, PI07 Pharma, and also mention the discipline. It's from pharmaceutics or pharmacology. And what about the different documents that you have to attest in that particular process? That is the field application. The format is already given in this notification, as well as copies of all previous mark sheet. It must be compiled in a single PDF. That is also mentioned that this particular mail composed of one single PDF file, that is marking of these all documentations, and referral permission letter from the college, and biodata, that is for 300 words, and duly filled the format attested over here. If there is any gate or net scorecard, if applicable, you can attest over here as well. If you have any awards, professional membership or publications, you can also mention over here. Apart from this, you also have indirected to form this Google form. Now, just starting with this last date of the application, that is the 13th April, and the student need to inform on 15th of May. Okay, accordingly you have to pay off. So what about the payment procedure mentioned over here? It have a two-part payment. That means for the 6 months tenure, you have to complete the first 3 months. After that training, the first installment is it will be given. After that, the 3 months, the next installment will be given. So it is a part payment procedure. And apart from this, what about the other requirements that you need to submit about that? That is the preferral or permission letter from the college authorities. You need to submit it, and the police verification certificate from the police stations, and as well as the declarations given by this annexure C, it also submitted in the joining process. Apart from this, you also submit the medical fitness certificate from a MBBS degree holder. And now I am coming the Aadhaar card, that is also essential for the submissions or joining in that particular process, as well as previous semester's mark sheet and the original documents they need to redirect for the verification. Okay, and any other documents if required, they can inform you about that part. And finally, after the selection procedure, it's fully on merit basis. No TA and DA will be allowed for the students, and there is DRDO shall no obligation to offer any employment over this. If you apply for this after this internship is over, you will not claim any employment over there. Now I am coming to the annexures. So this is the annexure you can find in that particular attachment. Is annexure have to fill up. So the applications for the DRDO paid internship schemes, this is like this. You have to fill it in written format, and after that you have to find this checklist that you have also submitted these things or not, and signature of the applicant, you have to submit your signature over here, place date as well, and it is the declaration from your head of the institute, principal or director from your college or institution. You have to fill it, and you have to mention all the details over here. What about the different faculty coordinator details, student details as well, and college details as well. You have to mention or fill it over here. Signature of the principal, director or HOD, you have to signature over here as well. Okay, and finally the undertaking form, it is also available in the annexure sheet. You have to fill it and read it very carefully. It is related to the IT regulations and what about the different policies you have to maintain while you are pursuing this internship in DRDO. And after that, you have to fill with the signature and you have also submit the same. Now I'm coming to that particular Google form that is also attached over here. Apart from the mailing, you have to submit the Google form. So what about the content that are available in the Google form? If you see this Google form, it is mostly consists the same thing that already mentioned. What about the requirement in the internship process? Firstly, you have to choose one mail for this, and this particular thing is mentioned that what about the different category they are applying for, and next you go next page. In the next page, you will find that you read the complete advertisement. Yes, I have read the complete advertisement, and go for the next. And here you have to fill all the details: name of the applicant, date of birth, other number, name, address, contact number of the college, degree if what about you are pursuing, semester or year, branch or discipline, average percentage CGPA, and what about the postcode you applied, it already mentioned in the notification. What about your father's name? What about achievement if you have any language known? Permanent address, local address, mobile number, email ID, and different scanned copy that is already available in this notification, annexure 1, annexure 2, and what about the achievement in 300 words in annexure C as well, and different certificates that you have already, CGPA, marksheets, each and everything combined on a single PDF, no multiple PDF. In Aadhaar card as well, if there is any GATE or NET scorecard available, you also apply over here, and you have to finally submit these two things. So what about the process? You have to go for one mail in that particular email address that is mentioned in the notification. Also have an attested single PDF regarding filled all these requirement document, and also fill the Google form that is I already discussed about you. Just go for it and have a good luck for you all. For thank you.